Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, we will introduce ourselves. Please speak slowly and clearly. What's your name?
My name is Eric Smith.
How do you spell your last name?
Smith.
Great. How old are you?
I'm 26 years old from Montreal, Canada.
Nice to meet you, Eric.
What's your name? My name is Betty Johnson. Can you spell your last name, please? Johnsson. Where are you from, Betty? I'm from New Jersey, in the United States. What's your name? I'm Vera Romano. Can you spell your last name? Romano. How old are you? I'm 24 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Rome, Italy. Wonderful. What's your full name?
My full name is Lucas Carvalho.
How do you spell your last name?
Carvalho.
Where are you from?
I'm from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Excellent work, Lucas. That's all for today. Have a great day.